Yo ninjas, I'm Kaio and welcome to the 8-step tutorial. If you haven't seen them, watch the previous tutorials that I made in the previous weeks. This tutorial will be a little bit different from the other ones because there is not really an official way to do the 8-step, but there are, I think, around 3 or 4 main ways to do it. And if you ask someone, he could tell you like this is the main way to do the 8-step and the others are variations. So I don't really know which one is the main one. So in this tutorial, instead than teaching you only one type of the 8-step and then just showing you the variations, I'm gonna teach each type. As usual, we're gonna start from the position 0, spinning clockwise, starting with the left hand on the floor and straighten the left leg, going to a hook, like this. And this is the step number 1. Then 2, going backwards with the right leg, and 3, going backwards with the left leg. Then going forward with the right, and then going forward with the left. So again, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 6 is going forward with the right again, like kinda like this or like this, as you prefer. Someone do like that, someone do like that, how you want. And from here going to a hook again, so like this. Again from the start, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is coming back to the position 0. So this is the first way to do the 8-step. Again, from the start, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second way to do the 8-step. It's almost the same as the first one. Position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the same. Now, instead to go in with the right leg, we're gonna go out. So, like here. And from here, we're gonna lift the left leg and put it back here. And then position 0. So, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, many people consider this variation a 8-step, but in my opinion this is a 7-step, because if you count the steps and if you are doing them fast, they are just 7 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So why many people consider this a 8-step? Because they count like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, but this that they count 2 for me is not really a step, it's just a movement because it's very smooth, it's very fast and you don't really touch with this foot on the floor, so you just do tang tang. It's not 3 movements, but in my opinion it's just 2 movements. So I would consider this a 7-step. But just to let you know guys, many people consider this a 8-step. In my opinion, to make it be a real 8-step, you should do it like this. 1, 2, when you do the step number 2, you should really touch with your left foot on the floor, and then 3. So it's not like 1, 2, or like 1, 2, 3, but it's more like 1, 2, 3. So the second step should be very sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can also do this second step instead than just this. Also make it look wider, so like this, going with this leg more to the left side, or maybe even like this. 1, 2, 3. Actually you can do it however you want, but the important thing is that you really touch with your feet or with your foot on the floor, because it should be very sharp. Should be an actual step, and you should make it clear that it's a step. So maybe you can do it like this. 1, 2, 3, or maybe like this. 1, 2, 3, or maybe like this. 1, 2, 3. Last official way to do the 8th step is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This way to do the 8th step for many b-boys is considered a 9th step because they count one step more here, so they do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But as I told you before, I don't really count the second step as a step if you do it in this way. So for me, it's just another way to do the 8th step. Once again, slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that you know these main ways to do the 8th step, try to create new ones, and if you want, send me your clips about the 8th step and variations on my Instagram at Kaio, and I'm gonna use your clips for my next tutorial that will be about the 9th step. And also if you want, check out my merch. All the links are in the description. See you next Friday. Yo ninjas!